In the process of operating handmade soap, the most common problem we encounter is the difference between handmade soap and regular soap. Why is the price of a piece of European handmade soap more than 10 times that of ordinary soap? What about this question? The state has clear and strict regulations on handmade soap. That is, handmade soap must be pure natural, and ordinary soap is made of chemical raw materials. That's the essential difference. Secondly, different brands of handmade soaps have different production processes. The reason why European-style handmade soap has become a leader in the handmade soap industry is because its production process is very cumbersome and complex. A bar of European-style handmade soap takes nearly 60 days from the time it is fermented to the time it is ready to leave the factory. 7 cumbersome processes of fermentation, natural oxidation, repair and grinding. This is the heart of European handmade soap. Regarding European-style handmade soaps, I brought you better ones on the market today. More acceptable packaging. This is a 3-piece package and a souvenir. It is mainly used for the welfare of employees in the enterprise, the maintenance of new customers, and a casual gift for regular customers. The packaging paper we use is imported paper, and the interior is full of pearl cotton, which is resistant to compression and drop. The other one is this gift box. This is a 4-piece package. The texture is very comfortable. These two were the better two in our current market. I brought this today as a single box. There are 8 varieties of soap from hand to hand. The best products on the market right now are these 8 products. There is cologne, rose, gold, and one is wormwood. Handmade soap sells a lot in some. The best thing about it is that you only need to bathe in it and you won't get mosquito bites after a day. Rose perfume is fermented from roses. For handmade soaps of gold perfume and cologne perfume, we use a sealing film. That's it, the taste won't be too obvious. But when you open it, you rip a corner. You will instantly feel the aroma of having 100 roses placed in front of you. As for the other 4, we use natural oxide films. This is not a sealed goat milk soap. The blue enchantress is a blue rose, which is more recognized in first-tier cities. The great thing about coffee soap is that after you take a shower, you're covered in the aroma of coffee. This is for matcha. At present, we have a total of these 8 kinds of soaps, which are the most recognized in the market. Therefore, in the process of operating European-style handmade soap, the most important sentence is the customer's experience. We have only one expectation from our customers. As long as he uses it, 90% will become our return customer. He doesn't need it, we don't have a better way at the moment. So, we are promoting and popularizing through various platforms of mobile phones. I hope more partners who want to start a business will join us. Make this imported cleaning industry small product bigger and stronger. For handmade soap, we just hope that more people use it and then reflect its value. Our price is already 1/4 of the foreign price. So we're ready to make this industry bigger and stronger and popularize. It's a lifelong endeavor. I hope that small partners who want to start a business will keep in touch with us. Little or no investment. As long as you like this industry, we can form a team together. Pledge your strength to make this small business bigger and stronger. And it's a trending industry. At present, Our survey results from 2021 to 2022 are that China is waiting for 1.5 times the growth rate every year. This is a market survey that the handmade shop industry brings us more confidence.